Hi, my name is Jeanette. I'm a registered dietitian with Lifespan Community Health Institute. Welcome to our food prep demonstration. This has been made possible by a collaboration between Lifespan Community Health Institute and the Rhode Island WIC program. The recipe I'm making today will utilize some of the foods from the WIC approved food package. They're healthy, nutritious, and it's very easy to make. Today I'm making avocado toast. So I have whole wheat toast, avocados, hard-boiled eggs, a little bit of garlic, and some basil. And a little sriracha if you like some spice. So first I've taken my whole wheat piece of toast, which is high in fiber and B vitamins, and I've put a little bit of minced garlic on the top of it, and I toasted it to make it a little bit on the crisp side. You can make it either toasted or not toasted, to your preference. Then we take our avocado and we just scoop it out of the skin. And we're going to put it in the bowl. Okay, and then we'll mash it up a little bit with our fork. You can either mash it or cut it, however whatever consistency that you like. That's the nice thing about this recipe, is you can make it however you like it. We'll mash it up just a little bit. And then we're very easily adding it to the top of our toast, right on the top of the garlic. So as you can see, I like mine a little on the chunky side. Okay, and we just spread that about a little bit. All right, then we just add a few of our hard-boiled eggs to the top. Okay, and add a sprig of fresh basil. If you don't have fresh, dried will do, just a little sprinkle on top. Now, if you like a little bit of spice, you could put a little bit of sriracha on there as well. But I wanted to also show you how we make the sliced avocado very simply. You take your knife and you draw it through your avocado while it's still in the skin. And then you just take your spoon, enter it into the avocado right close to the skin as if you were taking it out to mash it. And there you have it, your sliced avocado pieces. Easy to make, so nutritious. Now, I know there's always someone in the house who doesn't like maybe eggs or whole wheat toast or whatever, so feel free to change it up and make substitutions. If you're not quite sure how to do that, just check in with your WIC nutritionist. I hope you take advantage of it. Enjoy.